فيطيب لي في هذه الليلة المباركة أن ألتقي بكم أيها الإخوة ضمن هذه اللقاءات الطيبة والمباركة خلال زيارتي لبلادكم، وما رأيته ولله الحمد من جهود طيبة مباركة من إخوة سلفيين حريصين على المنهج السلفي ونشر السنة ودعوة الناس إلى المنهج الحق. وقد أثلج صدري كثيرا وسررت كثيرا بما رأيت وشاهدت، وحمدت الله عز وجل أن هيأ الله تبارك وتعالى أناسا مخلصين غيورين على السنة ونشرها، حريصين على دعوة الناس وهدايتهم لدين الله تبارك وتعالى بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة. وإن كان من جهود تذكر فتشكر، فنشكر للإخوة القائمين ها هنا في جمعية القرآن والسنة، أصحاب موقع البصيرة، فإن لهم جهودا كبيرة وطيبة ومباركة، وأخص بالذكر الشيخ الفاضل زاهد وإخوانه، فجهودهم واضحة وطيبة. ولكن مع هذا ضاق بعض الناس بهذه الجهود، فلم يشاركوا إخوانهم ويحرصوا على الحضور والإفادة والاستفادة ومعاونتهم، بل ما فتئوا إلا أن يشغبوا وينقلوا كلاما لا أدري من أين يأتون به، ويتصلوا من هنا إلى هناك ببعض المشايخ، والمشايخ بعضهم يحسن الظن بهم، وواقع هؤلاء حالهم ها هنا مزري، لا دعوة ينشرون ولا خيرا ينصرون ولا ما ينفع الناس يحرصون عليه، وإنما اشتغلوا بالقيل والقال. والله تعالى يقول: يا أيها الذين آمنوا إن جاءكم فاسق بنبأ فتبينوا أن تصيبوا قوما بجهالة فتصبحوا على ما فعلتم نادمين. فهؤلاء الذين ينقلون الأخبار مغلوطة على غير وجهها الصحيح، ويصورون مثل هذه الجهود أنها تصب في مصلحة أهل البدعة، وأن هؤلاء ينصرون البدعة ويمكنون لأهل البدع، وهذا والله كذب وخلاف ما رأيت الإخوة حريصين كل الحرص على السنة ونشرها، وعلى تقبل النصيحة إن وجد خطأ، فأبوابهم مفتوحة وصدورهم منشرحة لكل نصح وتوجيه. ومع هذا فمثل هذا المركز السلفي قد زكي من العلماء المعروفين، زكاه جملة من العلماء، وأضم صوتي إلى صوتهم، ولا ريب أن مثل هذا يزكى ويساعد وينصر، ولا يلتفت إلى قول هؤلاء الذين يحذرون ويتكلمون بغير حق ولا دليل. نسأل الله عز وجل أن يبارك بالجهود، وأن يوفق ويعين ويسدد، وأن يرد عنا كيد الكائدين وحسد الحاسدين وغرض المغرضين، والله الموفق.
The Shaykh began with khutbah tahaja. Indeed, our praise is due to Allah. We praise Him and seek His assistance and His forgiveness. We seek refuge with Allah for the evilness of our souls and the evilness of our actions. Whoever Allah has guided, there is no one to mislead them. Whoever He's led astray, there is no guide for them. And I bear witness that there is no deity worth their worship except Allah. He is one and doesn't have any partners. And I bear witness that Muhammad is His messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He said, what is wholesome and good for me is this meeting with you brothers again, and the many gatherings and meetings that we have had with the brothers here. From amongst the brothers who had this da'wah to Salafiyya, those who adhere to the prophetic methodology. And I'm pleased to have seen and experienced what he has seen, he said, in visiting your country, to see those individuals who adhere to the methodology of truth and are diligent upon that methodology to spread it. And it was very pleasing for me to witness individuals who are sincerely upon this way, calling to it, wanting to establish it, establishing upon good admonition and wisdom. Specifically, those individuals who have established this center and established ALBaseerah. Specifically, I mentioned Zahid and his brothers that are with him, that have aligned with him. For these individuals have beautiful efforts towards spreading this religion, individuals whose hearts are open for advice, wanting khair, goodness for the people. And the Shaykh says, unfortunately, we find that some of the people try to restrict things for them and make things difficult upon them, with them going around spreading statements about them, that which doesn't have any evidence behind it. Only thing behind it, he said, she said, I heard. Nothing whatsoever but this. Saying about individuals, these particular individuals from Zahid and those who support him, from his brothers, that which has no basis to it whatsoever, and no evidence behind it. Totally based on he said, she said. And in this regard, Allah commands that if comes to you a wicked person or a sinner or a person of disobedience with some news, then seek to clarify it, so that you will not harm a people and feel regret and be regretful for what you have done. These individuals have tried to draw a picture, an evil picture of these brothers, that they're individuals of innovation and misguidance. After it has become clear to me, meaning the Shaykh, their juhud, their efforts that they have put forth in teaching beneficial knowledge. And they want to call the people away from that. And you find these individuals, they do this act, and they themselves hinder the people from the good, and telling them not to come to the gatherings and the circles of these brothers when they bring the people of knowledge, because there are people of innovation from amongst them around the Shaykh, making evil statements like this, saying that they aid innovation. And the reality is, these are brothers who we know and seen from them nothing but goodness. We've seen nothing from these brothers but diligency to spread the truth. We see nothing from these brothers but readiness, open, spread out arms to embrace and accept sincere advice. Individuals who have established a center, meaning ALBaseerah, and a masjid here at this masjid, where they are drinking from the sources of the ulama, directly from their mouths. Directly from their mouths. So the Shaykh says, do not turn to these individuals who make this statement whatsoever. Pay no attention to it. Those who come with statements with no ilm behind it, no knowledge behind it, no evidence whatsoever, and trying to close the doors of goodness and khair. فليتفضل مشكورا.